Hello there. I'd like to talk about the Berlin truck attack that happened December 19th, 2016. I would title this One Picture Says It All. Take a look at the policeman behind the tape here, behind the boarding off area, and notice how clean everything is. Now, if a mass murder attack by a truck driver happened here, where is the mess? Where is the debris of maybe some of the buildings crushed? Certainly there'd be trash. There would be injured people, dead people here, or those that quick ran off, dropped their handbag, whatever. But nothing. It's all immaculate here. In fact, it looked like there was no customers at all that evening. It was closed. And in fact, if you look at the front of this little kiosk here, it is boarded up. So there was no pedestrians there to begin with. Looking further back in the picture right here, you see the policeman back here. Again, you can see that it's very clean. So this is where attack occurred, where 12 people were murdered and 50 injured. Doesn't look like it to me. That's all I wanted to say about that.